Okay, bugs, it's cutting time. I'm kind of annoyed because it didn't stay white. It's kind of brown, as you can see, so it might discolor, but you'll have that. So let's pop it out the mold and slice up our bars. Still a little sticky, but it'll dry out. They'll be rock hard, so I'm not worried about it. Don't you turn off his cartoons. You so rude. First cut. Let's see if we can do it not on its side. Doubt it, but because of all the melt and pour that's in here. Boom. So that's how we're looking on the inside. And then we have this top, so that's our end piece. And I may cut the front part of that off, we'll see. I'm gonna flip this over because we're losing embeds and cut it like that. Okay. And the cute little swirl we got at the top is very nice right here. And I'll fix this bar later. So we'll do one more on camera, and then of course, as always, I'm going to show you guys what all the bars look like at the end. Here we go. And this is our chocolate lover's dream. Hopefully our white stays white, but if it doesn't, what are you going to do? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be well and stay blessed.